Hey there everyone, it is Tommi Kokko from IP Guitars here, and this is a video that I didn't really think that I was gonna make, and quite honestly hoped that I wouldn't have to make. It's come to the part where maintaining the YouTube channel isn't really viable without, well, you. It's pretty much a very unfortunate thing where a lot of the things that have changed with YouTube have brought along a lot of issues for a channel like mine. The unfortunate thing is that this year completely and utterly burned me out from creating videos for a little bit, for a little bit there, for a good few months, I should say. And that's mainly due to there being a bunch of different projects that weren't IP related, intertwined with everything that I had to do IP wise, and Tone Fest and everything else that happened, the Ariadne release and all that stuff took so much time. But already at that point, the damage was done. Essentially, the way that YouTube functions is that if you take time off for a few months or something like that, it pretty much kills your channel. YouTube understands that you have stopped creating and will stop recommending anything you create as much as it has before. Looking at it from the perspective of comparing 2021 to the following couple of years, 2021 I released 3 videos every single week. There were 2 videos and 1 live stream every week. That was brutal, but it was wonderful for YouTube because, you know, that's how I was pumping out a lot of content. I was getting a lot of views and a lot of comments, and a lot of people were seeing the stuff. Great, fantastic. Production value wasn't where I wanted it to be. So I started concentrating and focusing more on, instead of putting in a bulk amount of stuff into the ether, so to speak, for everybody to watch, because that's not what I like to do either. I wanted to concentrate on providing quality and really putting time and effort into making formats and visually appealing and interesting videos, which went against the grain. Took longer to edit because I decided I want to take the time to edit stuff, but also not stress about having to meet deadlines. Instead, I wanted to continue building guitars because that's the main focus. And on the side of it, while I'm still filming things, put out videos every now and then that I really put time and effort into, which resulted in, you know, YouTube understanding that I wasn't providing enough content, and they pretty much killed off my channel. I've been running this YouTube channel for 12 years. And yeah, this has been a completely devastating year for the YouTube channel. No videos get any traction. Almost none of my subscribers see any of my videos. I mean, hell, if we have a look at, out of the people who've subscribed, like in the last year alone, the people who watch my content are, 96.5%, they're not subscribed. And the 3.5% that are subscribed are the only ones who actually see the content, because I've heard that my subscribers don't get my videos recommended to them because I'm posting frequently. They don't get that. And along with newer changes, I don't mean this to be a griping video, but along with newer changes as well, there's been YouTube, which is really great. I mean, YouTube is pushing new channels so that they gain traction quickly. So up and coming YouTubers, they're getting a lot of push and they're getting a lot of views because they're new. And then older channels, because, they're a well-oiled machine by now, like huge, big channels, they're still going strong, having to deal with their own issues, of course, but, they gain what they gain. But then there's people like me, where the channel is 12 years old, so it's old, ancient channel by YouTube standards, but I only have under 10K subs, which means nothing by YouTube standards. It means the world to me, but by YouTube standards, it means nothing. So they don't see any use in pushing my content because it's not going to give you any ad revenue, and it's all about money in the end. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of you have seen Glenn Fricker's video as well, where he urged, because he has to take some time off now, he urged people to watch playlists to keep the channel alive. And I have stuff playing in the background as well for Glenn. And I'm about to create a playlist, support creators playlist, which is going to have a bunch of different creators on there that you can go and check out. I'm going to put a link there for you to go and have a look at that. But I ask you that please, I need your help to get this channel back to where it once was, because I've been doing this for a very long time, and the channel and the community that the channel and the community that has kind of built around the channel does mean a lot to me. And seeing the fact that it's been pretty much reduced to ash is heartbreaking. I put time and effort into doing things that nobody sees. And a couple of years back, that would have been very different. So I've created a bunch of playlists on the channel, and I hope that, or please, the only thing that I ask for you to do is leave playlists running in the background. You don't have to have volume on. You don't need to watch them. You could just have a tab playing video, or if you have like a spare tablet or spare PC or anything that you don't really use all that frequently, just have stuff running on autoplay and kind of help out the channel in that way, because that's pretty much the only way I see this channel surviving, because I don't know how long I can do this anymore. I want to keep doing it, but I don't know how long I can keep it up. So yeah, I wish I had some better news for you guys. I mean, I'm building stuff. I'll post stuff. I'll create videos that I hope you guys will see. But currently, the way things are going, it's not very optimistic. So yeah, thank you to everyone who has followed along, commented. Now more than ever, every single comment matters, and I appreciate everyone who has said anything at all, even a stupid remark on a video. I really do appreciate it. Engaging with any video means everything right now. So, I'm gonna stop, but go check out the playlist. Go help other creators as well. We're all in this same sort of shit. Never curse on this channel, but it's that kind of feeling. So yeah. Thank you. Love you guys. And I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is.